What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be adding some links to the footer right here. Okay, we're going to add some stuff, and then we're also going to be working up with the footer right here, and that's one right here. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just go to customize, and then we have to work with it. So basically the footer and the header, we cannot edit with this Elementor, but we can edit everything instead of that with Elementor, okay, inside the content area. So here we go. You can see that we have our footer right here. We have footer widgets right here. So you can see that we have our footer widgets right here. So if you want to show some footer widget, you can also show some footer widget. But since this is a normal website or a personal website, that is why I don't think so that we need to add footer widgets, but we will be adding the footer widgets later on when we will build another website and another company based website. Okay, so this is a personal website. I don't think so if it requires the footer widgets. So you can see that this line will be gone and this will look much better right now. Okay, and now we have to go back, and here it says the footer bottom. Okay, so what you can do, you can add changes. So you can write here anything, copyright, copyright, and you can add the copyright sign basically. Okay, copyright. So I'm gonna add that copyright sign, and that is going to be end, COPY. Okay, and I'm gonna add this. So you can see that it gives the copyright signature right here. You can see, and then I want to enter the name. That will be the site name. That will be itenzeal.com, copyright itenzeal.com. 2017, and then it's gonna be DESI, designed website designed with, and I want to enter a hard sign right here. So for this, I want to go to the fontawesome.io/icon. So you have to visit this website, okay, and then you have to search for the icon, and that is going to be hard. Okay, so I want to grab this one right here. Okay, you have this code. I want to copy this code, and I want to come here and I want to paste it right here. So you can see that it says website designed with love, website made with. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish right now, and there we go. And now let's come here and let's view our website. So here we go. You can see that this is how it is working. We have this totally changed, and this is also coming right here. So this is how our website is looking. Our website is now full and final, and you can see everything is looking great. Okay, so basically we will stop working with this website right now, and we will go with another website in the next section. The reason is that we also want to add some payment services. There should be the dashboard for person who is hiring me, and the person can also pay me via credit card and PayPal or direct bank transfer. So we will be adding that later on when we will be learning how to build e-commerce website. But this was the section to tell you that how can you build normal static website. And you can see that this is the website that we have built, is the best design. No one will create websites for you with this design. This website is built with best design, and you can design it yourself. Now you can see that you have to just focus on single color. Make sure that you can use different type of shades, but you can see that we use single color, and this is how our website is looking. Okay, we have a different color right here. Okay, we have black color, but this is basically a great eye-catching. That is why I added this. Okay, so you can see that we now know how to design a normal based one-page website. So this is our one-page website that we have designed. In the next video, we'll design a lot of website. We'll design business websites, normal business website. When there will be also the blog functionality, we'll also build a total blog website where there would be the full page. The home page would be having the blog website. Then we'll build online e-commerce store. We'll also build websites like Facebook. We'll also build website with forum functionality where people can post questions. We'll also build a chat website and so many websites with this WordPress. Okay, so stay tuned guys for that, but now we will stop it right now. Okay, so we'll just go with another website, and when we will learn how can we accept payments, then I will also integrate payment functionality to this website later on. But you guys also have to stop right with this right now, and let's go to another website and build that website. Okay, so now we're totally done with this website. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. Stay tuned, and bye-bye.